everyone, it's Megan with EasyIT here with another Mondays with Megan tech tip for you. This week we're going to talk about how to make sure you always know when the holidays are, even the ones that some people have off and some people have to work, so stay tuned. Alright, so this week we're going to talk about how to ensure you never miss a holiday. Most of us know when the federal holidays are, but sometimes the other ones sneak up on us. At EasyIT, we work on President's Day, so sometimes I wonder why people don't respond to my emails or take my phone calls, but it's because a lot of businesses have President's Day off. So here's how to ensure that you're not sitting at your desk pounding the phones when a lot of people have the day off because it's a holiday. In your Outlook email, simply go to File, then Options, Add Holidays, and then you can select all the countries that you want to import the holidays for. And voila, you'll never miss a holiday again. I hope this tip is super helpful. Look forward to talking to you all next week.